three hidden AI platforms paying $20 to $40 per hour for creative writers and beginners worldwide. So guys, now I don't want to waste much of your time. So now the first one on our list is simply called Alignerr. So guys, as you can see right here, you can simply train AI and simply get paid. Now, if you check their live job board right now, you're going to see roles explicitly labeled creative writer, English. So guys, now as you can see right here, we have English writing expert right there. So now let's quickly check what this role is all about. So if your command of the English language could directly shape how AI communicates with hundreds of millions of people around the world. Now we are looking for skilled writers to evaluate and improve AI generated content, ensuring it's clear, well structured, and genuinely effective. So guys, I'm leaving this exact link in the description of this video, so don't worry about that. All right, so now this is what this role is all about right here. All right, and now as you can see, you're going to earn $20 to $40 per hour, which is simply amazing. And first guys, this is remote, that is, you can actually do this job from anywhere. All right, so this is based on contract. All right, so now the commitment flexible, asynchronous, work on your own schedule right here. And this is what you do: you simply review AI generated routine content across a variety of genres, format, and topics for clarity, structure, and effectiveness. Provide detailed constructive feedback on tone, argumentation, audience engagement, and so on. You help AI reason through complex writing challenges, including persuasive writing, technical documentation, creative content, and academic prose. So this is what you'll be doing right here. All right, so now who you are. All right, strong command of English grammar, style, tone, and structure, experience in professional, academic, creative, or technical writing or editing, and so on. All right, so now while you join us, you want to see this right there, if you want to go through it. So guys, you can simply come to where you see apply right now, get started right there. So I'll be leaving this exact link in the description so that you can simply click on it and apply right now. All right, so this job right there is simply called English writing expert AI training. Now the next one is simply called DataAnnotation.tech. So guys, you can simply train AI and also get paid right there. Work unpaid hourly remote project that match your skills, would work whenever and wherever you want, and including hundreds of general coding, ed, finance, and legal projects and more. Alright, so guys, now to actually get started, as you can see that here we have a corporate attorney, a senior software engineer, clinical researcher, and so on. So guys, you can simply come to where you see language or languages, language right here. So you want to click on language right here, and you'll be directed to language directory right here. So now you can train AI to speak your language, work remotely on AI training tasks, flexible hours, competitive pay, no AI experience needed right there. All right, so you simply want to scroll down. So now you can simply click on English right there, or you enter English right there. So you can simply enter your language or click on English, Arabic, anyone you are interested. So if you're interested in English, you want to click on tap on it, and you'll be directed to where you can actually apply to the jobs right there. So now the next one on our list is simply called Mindrift.ai, and so you can simply train AI also on this platform and get paid from $15 to $30 per hour. I recently made a review of this platform, so you can simply watch it. I'll also be leaving the link in the description of this video, so that you can simply earn $15 to $30 per hour or $60 to $100 plus per hour. So guys, now as you can see right here, so actually get started, I want to click on apply right here. So now you are going to see this job right there, English writer, freelance AI trainer. So now you can simply submit your resume in English and indicate your level of English proficiency. So now Mindrift connects specialists with project-based AI opportunities for leading tech companies focused on testing, evaluating, and improving AI systems. Participation is project-based, not permanent employment. All right, so guys, you simply want to take note of that. And now right here, what this is what this opportunity involves. As an AI trainer writer, your work will help train AI models, shaping how they understand and generate human-like tests. Now, this isn't your traditional writing. You'll be crafting tests that teaches AI reasoning, logic accuracy, nuance, and clarity. Now, while each project involves unique tasks, contributors may crafting original, clear, and fast-check responses based on project guidelines, following style and quality standards to ensure consistency and so on. And this is what they actually look for. Bachelor's degree in any subject field, at least 1 year of professional or educational experience in any field. So guys, you have to take note of that. And this is how it works. You want to apply, pass qualification, join a project, complete tasks, and get paid. Alright, so you can simply go through everything. It is very important. So please make sure you go through the requirements before you apply. Now, for the compensation, you're going to earn $30 per hour equivalent, depending on their level and pace of contribution. Alright, so take note of this also. Compensation varies across projects depending on scope, complexity, and required expertise. So please note that other projects on the platform may offer different earning levels based on their requirements. So if you want to click on apply for this job, alright, so guys, before you simply run off to click on apply or Alignerr DataAnnotation or even Mindrift, you must lock down these three critical operational rules to keep your account secure. Number one, you don't need a VPN, zero VPN usage. So guys, this platform use automated security modules like Persona for identity checks that continuously track your digital fingerprints. Now, if you activate a VPN or use a proxy, your IP is flagged for fraud and your profile is shadow banned instantly. And another thing right here is the language multiplier. Never leave your profile index bare. You want to fill out your linguistic background, listing your native or your localized language case opens up hidden pain updates that general global workers cannot view. And another thing I also want you to take note of is patience on the review screen. So once you submit your assessment, the systems take anywhere from 3 days to 2 weeks to manually grade your response. So don't panic if your dashboard stays under review. You just want to monitor your email. It is very important. You just want to make sure you keep monitoring your email. Alright, so if you want the direct official onboarding portals for all these three websites, guys, I'll be leaving the link in the description below, or join our inner circle or the Logic Income Academy Telegram channel. Alright.